Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, I explained about the simple machines, right? And in that, I explained about the lever, right? So, today I am going to explain about other simple machines, such as now first one, that is the wheel and axle. Okay, wheel and axle. Actually, in this wheel and axle, it contains wheels. Okay, wheels. Then here also wheel. Then this wheel, both two wheels are here and it is connected with a rod. Okay, that rod is known as what? Axle. Okay, and this is the wheel. Okay, so wheel and axle connected. This wheel automatically it rotate, right, when it moves. That time along with this wheel, this axle also moves. Most of the, you can see most of the vehicles, they are having this only, this wheel and axle. Okay, and some instruments, like for example, one more I will say. See, this is the screwdriver, right? It is the screwdriver. Here, this is screwdriver. This is actually the wheel. It acts as a wheel. We will rotate this one. So, it is a wheel. And this is the axle. Okay. So, wheel and axle. Best you can say this example. So, it rotates so that we can purse also somewhere, and we can open the nails, these things, that screws. For that also using it. Okay. This acts as a, this is a example for wheel and axle. Okay. And now another one, second one, it is inclined plane. Okay, inclined plane. So see here, inclined plane, it is a slope. Okay, what it is? It is a slope. For example, see, if it is a slope like this, then this slope actually helps to move the things from down to up easily. Okay, for a higher place, if we want to shift the things, then we can use this slope only. This slope, it is known as the inclined plane. Okay, at your home, in front of the, near the gate, that vehicles are coming upward with this ramp only. With this ramp, it is here, it is the road. So from here through this, it can come up. So that acts, it is helping to carry the heavy weight. Okay, and not only that, another example, if I say, you people are going in the garden, right, playground, there also you can see park, there you can see what? A slide, right? Slide. In that slide also, see, you can see this, there will be a ladder also, right? Right? And here through this ladder, you will climb up, right? Steps are there. Through this you will climb up, and from here you will sit, then from here you will slide down, right? So that acts, that is an example for inclined plane. Okay, now then next one, it is screw. Okay, next one is screw. See here screw, it is actually, it is also be an inclined plane. Okay, slope is there, but it is actually wound around to a road, so that it can hold the things easily. For that also, see, this is the screw, right? You are able to see this. This is the screw. So here, if you are seeing from top itself, it is, you can see that two portions are there. One here and one this side. Okay, so it is also be a slope or inclined plane, and this is the road, and in that they wound around. So it is what? Act as a spiral, right? So you can hold, it can hold the things. See here also, in this blackboards also, you can see with this screw only attached to the things. In this electricity, that meter board and your switchboard, there also the switchboard fully it is hold there on the wall with the help of the screw only. Okay, here you can see the spiral things. rings are there, right? So that it grows like this. When it rotates, it moves like this and it pairs inside the wall. Okay, but see another one, it also there, plain one, that is known as nail. It when sometimes see it cannot go deeply inside, it may come out also easily, but this one actually with the grip only it is there, so it will not come easily. It is used for holding the things. Understood? And now the next one is wedge. Which one? This one. Understood? Here this is the nail. Okay, and it is having this portion with this only, and then it will wound around like this. Okay, so this is the screw. And now fourth one, it is wedge. Wedge, if you are saying, it is actually a double inclined plane. Okay, double inclined means both the side it is having the slope. Okay, this side as well as this side, and both the slope joined at the top, that will be the edge portion. Okay, this is only what in wedge. Okay, it is actually, see, for example, knife. Okay, in this knife, see, you can see some children may not understand about this. That is what I am showing this, how this the double inclined the slope will be. See here, this side you can see one side, this is one slope. Okay, and this side also one slope. So both the side this is slope joining where this side. So this is the tip, right? And it is the edge portion, right? It is all actually sharp. This way also we can say, and this way also we can say. See here, this side full slope, right? And another this side also slope, and both of these places joining here, that will be a sharp portion. Okay, so this only what example for wedge. And we can say fork, and even what else, nail. These are also examples of wedge. Okay, now the next example, that is pulley. Okay, pulley actually, pulley in this you can see it is a small wheel. Okay, small wheel, there is actually a groove also there. In that groove it is attached, and through that we can bring the rope, and so that it will rotate. Okay, and we can for this pulleys mostly we are using in the villages. They are to draw the water from the well. They used to keep the pulleys on there with the support of the road. Afterwards, from there they draw the water up. Okay, that only. So if it is the well, okay, it is the well. From there water brings out. By the hand, if you are pulling the rope, it will be very difficult, and you will tired easily. So that here they will attach one stand. Okay, then from here only they will keep this pulley. Okay, and that pulley, through that rope goes with this only. You can see you can attach the water. This was the pail. Okay, that was the bucket or pail, and then from that, then here one side it will be on your hand. So by drawing this, pulling this rope, this also it will rotate, right? Then it comes down, from down the water you can bring it up. Okay, that we draw the water up. That is a simple pulley. Not only that, see, you can see, and in our school also, see, you may used to see this when there is a Independence Day or Republic Day. What happens? Our principal used to flag, hoist the flag, right? So this is the pole, right? This is the flag only, right? Flag pole, and from here you can see the small groove is there. Okay, and here you can see the small pulley fixed there. Okay, and then through that pulley used to keep the thread like this, and here only what our flag, right? So our flag here, and then it is attached here only, right? So that it comes like this. That means then after lifting up, we used to tie here. This rope we will tie over here. Then so the same way for unfurling also we used to do that. So this through this small groove only, that small pulley, easily we can hoist the flag. Okay, and then this is the simple pulley. And if we are saying about the complex also there, okay, complex pulley also there, that is the movable pulley. In movable pulley, see children, here it is only one pulley you can see, but in the movable pulley for lifting the heavy weight, that only they are using this. Okay, see here that rope will be there, and then here you can see the pulley. Okay, that pulley fixed here with this rope, and then through that it goes here, then it goes to another one. Here also one more pulley will be there. Okay, one more pulley attached here. So it moves here, up to here it will go, then from here again it drops, and here what they will use, keep the weight. There will be a hook. Okay, hook, in that hook keeping the load. Okay, this is the load, heavy load, and then pulling through this. So if it is fixed here, right, and from here then we are pulling the rope through this wheel, both the wheels. That means combination of 2 or 3 simple pulleys are using. They only, this is the complex, that is only the movable pulley. Okay, movable pulley. Okay, so understood this one? Those so many simple machines you learned. What are them? They are the lever, then wheel and axle, then inclined plane, screw, and now the pulley. Okay children, so now your half yearly course completed. Now read the chapter very well. Thank you children. Have a nice day.